Hello everyone, this is Doug. Welcome to Technology After 50, no swearing. Today's video we're going to, I guess we could call it part 2 of our last video. We showed you a little bit about AI, Gemini in particular. It's the Google AI, and we kind of showed you, kind of talked to it a little bit, but as I kind of went back and looked at it, I kind of think that I kind of missed out on really showing how you can utilize it on a daily basis. I'm going to try to do that a little bit today. So what I'm going to do is we're going to go up here at the top. You can see this little diamond shape. Under it says Gemini. That's what I'm going to tap on here in just a second. And I'm just going to kind of progress through some things that I know I have coming up. And just ask for advice, for some information, and let's see what Gemini can do. And one thing I would kind of recommend is when you're dealing with AI, don't give it any banking information. Information that AI gives, and regardless, I think, of whichever AI you may use in the future, it's not 100% accurate all the time. So I would steer clear of passing on any banking information or something very vital such as that. But we're going to click on Gemini here. Now what I'm going to do is you'll see those 3 vertical lines over on the side, kind of over here. I'm going to click on that, and that way I don't have to tap with my fat fingers. I can just talk to it, and it will answer me back. I think what I'm going to start with is a menu. I don't know about you ladies or guys. My wife and I have been married almost 42 years now. And the one question that I ask her that she says she hates is, what's for dinner? And I did that just the other day, and she said, I hate that when you ask. And I get it. You know, she's been making supper every night for 42 years. There comes a point that you're just tired of doing it. You don't want to hear about it. And that's kind of where she's at. So anyway, I'm going to come to our refrigerator. And I'm first going to start with asking Gemini a question. Gemini, are you there?
Yes, I'm here and ready to help. It's really great to be connected with you. What's on your mind today? Whether you're looking for information, need help with a task, or just want to chat, I'm at your service.
I'm going to take a picture of my inside of my refrigerator and freezer, and I wonder if you can give me a recommendation for supper tonight. I want a high protein meal. So if you can kind of look at what we got and kind of maybe make some recommendations for me.
That sounds like a fun challenge. Go ahead and take a picture of what you have, and I'll be happy to look through it and suggest some delicious, high-protein options for your supper tonight.
Okay, I got out of that because you're going to notice on this taskbar down here at the bottom, when I click these vertical lines again, you're going to notice like a square with another line in front of it. That's basically an icon for a camera. So the AI can see what I'm looking at. So that's what I'm going to do now. So you'll see the square over here. I'm going to tap that. Okay, Gemini, here's the inside of my refrigerator, such as it is.
Let me take a look inside your fridge. I see a few options that could work. Could you give me a closer view of the items in the freezer drawer so I can see what proteins you have available for dinner?
Absolutely. Here we go. Can you see it?
Yes, I've got a great view of your freezer drawer now. Based on the proteins you have, like those beef burgers and Tyson chicken bites, there are a couple of solid options for a high-protein supper. You could either go with a classic burger night using some toppings from the fridge, or whip together a crispy chicken salad. Which one sounds better for tonight?
I think I like the crispy chicken salad idea.
That sounds delicious. You can start by baking or air frying a serving of those crispy chicken bites. While that's cooking, grab some of that fresh lettuce for your base, top it with a crispy chicken, crumble some of that feta cheese over it, and finish it off with a ranch dressing.
Thank you. So there you go. I got three more things I want to ask it, and these are just kind of real world examples of what you might want to do. Next thing I want to do that AI can do, and again, ladies, it's going to have to do with the dinners and your meal prep. You can ask it, can you put together for me I always ask for high protein. I'm going to ask for a high protein menu for the next 3 days. I want all the meals to be able to be made within 15 minutes. And let's see what she comes back with. Gemini, are you there?
Yes, I'm right here. How are the preparations for your crispy chicken salad coming along?
Hey,
or did you have...
Great. I have something else I want to ask you.
I'm ready when you are. What's on your mind?
I want to put together a menu for the next 3 days. I want it high protein, low carbs, and if I have to pick a few things up at the store, that's fine. Can you help me with that? Gemini, can you help me with that?
Absolutely. Let's get that 3-day menu together for you. For day 1, you could start with a scramble of 3 eggs with fresh spinach and feta cheese. For lunch, try turkey and cheese lettuce wraps, using deli meat rolled up in large romaine or iceberg leaves. Then for dinner, a simple baked chicken breast with a side of roasted broccoli makes a great high-protein meal.
Okay, thank you. I don't want to take too much time on going through all of that. But literally, they can give you a menu for the next 3 days. If you want those to be quick meals, just let them know, and they can put that together for you so you're not always trying to come up with something for dinner. Even there, you'll see that it was breakfast, lunch, and dinner. So just get specific. Tell them what you're wanting to do, and the AI will help you do it. Second thing I've got going on next week, we're going to have our grandkids here for about 4 or 5 days. So I'm going to ask AI to give me some activities to do in the backyard. Gemini, are you there?
Yes, I'm here. Should we continue with that 3-day high-protein menu?
No, thank you. I got what I need from that. I do have another question. We're going to have our grandkids with us for about 3 days next week. And I was wondering if you could give me some really fun activities we might be able to do with them in the backyard.
That sounds like it's going to be a wonderful time. To give you the best suggestions, could you tell me a little about their ages and what kind of things they usually enjoy doing?
Sure, they have a lot of energy. They're 7 and 8 years old. They like to play. They get along good together. It's a boy and a girl. And just looking for some fun things to do in the backyard.
That sounds like it's going to be a blast. For 7 and 8-year-olds with tons of energy, you could set up a backyard obstacle course using hula hoops, cones, and jump ropes to keep them moving and having fun. Another fun idea is a scavenger hunt with clues tailored to their interests, which encourages problem solving and exploration. And since the weather is warming up, some classic water games like water balloon toss or a sprinkler run would definitely burn off some extra energy.
You know what they do at home where they live? They like playing with bubbles. Is there any kind of activities or something maybe special we could do with bubbles?
That's great that they already enjoy bubbles. You could really step it up for them by making some giant bubble solution. It's really simple to mix up using some water, dish soap, and a little glycerin or sugar. And you can even make your own giant wands using some string and sticks. They'll be amazed by the size of the bubbles they can create.
Okay. Can you give me a bubble recipe for giant bubbles?
Sure thing. For a great giant bubble mix, combine about 6 cups of distilled water with 1 cup of high-quality dish soap, preferably Original Dawn, and then add about 1/3 of a cup of glycerin or a tablespoon of sugar to help the bubble stay strong. To make the wand, just tie a long piece of absorbent string or yarn to 2 sticks, making sure the loop is long enough to hold the solution.
Thank you very much. So there, we're going to have the grandkids. I mean, we've already got stuff we're going to do, but that's something you can utilize is obstacle course with stuff laying around the house or giant bubbles or water games. So there again, it's not something you got to, sit around and think about what can I do with them while they're here. Ask AI, and AI will come up with some great ideas. What about a trip? What if we were leaving, going on vacation for a week or so, and we wanted to ask the neighbor to perhaps keep an eye on the property while we're there, and we want to send them a note because we don't see them that often because of work schedules. You can do this. Gemini, are you there?
Yes, I'm right here. Were you able to gather the ingredients for the giant bubble recipe? Or were you
Absolutely. I got another question for you. We're going on vacation in about 3 weeks, and we're going to be gone for a week. And I was wondering if you could write a really nice quick note to our neighbor asking if they would be willing to kind of just keep an eye on our property while we're gone.
I'd be happy to help with that. Here's a quick note you could use. Hi, neighbor. We're going on vacation from June 11th to June 18th, and we're hoping you might be able to keep an eye on the house for us while we're away. We'd really appreciate it, and are happy to return the favor anytime.
Thank you. There you go. Those are just some realistic things that an AI can do for you. It can put that grocery list together for you. It can help you with activities with the grandkids. It can, if you're wanting to go on vacation, we didn't even touch at what it can do about that. It can look up properties for you. It can look up different places you could stay. It could give you ideas of where to go or what to do when you get there. I could ask it if I wanted to, hey, we're going to Pigeon Forge. What 3 activities would you recommend for someone in their mid-60s? And they would tell me. So just kind of keep those in mind. Looks like our time is gone for today. That was quick. But I really encourage you to better be able to enjoy life. That's kind of what we're talking about through these series of videos is start tinkering with AI. Don't be scared of it. And before long, you may find yourself just sitting around the house talking with it as a friend. It becomes that easy to work with. So take that. If you like the information we're given on Technology After 50, no swearing, give us a like. And I hope you would subscribe to the channel. So that's all for today. This is Doug saying, listen, have a great day.